Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can share your screen in Google Meet. Now let's say you are already in a meeting. You want to present something of your screen to the other participants of Google Meet. Here's how you can do it. To get started, make sure you're already in the meeting, like so. I'm in a meeting right now and there are only two participants. There's one powerful math and another is great name. Now suppose I want to present something from my screen to the other participants through Google Meet. You can find present now option right here. So just click on it. Now it will ask you to what you want to present or show to other participants. Choose one of the Chrome tab or one of the window or entire screen. Let's say I want to show this Word document. Click on share. Now let's see if the other person is viewing it. Dismiss for now. Other person is this one already. Yeah, this is the person who is currently presenting myself, and this is the other one. Now if you still have any confusions regarding sharing your screen in Google Meet, guys, do leave them in the comment section. We're always here to help. If instead you found this video to be helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye bye.